How to make and create event flyer on Canva PC. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to make and create professional event flyer on canva.com. First thing, as you can see, this is the home page. Now go to the top, click on create a design, search for flyer, click on it, and it will take you to this page. Now go right here on this side, scroll down like this until you find event flyer, click on see all, and now choose a template. From here you have many options, for example this one. You can change the informations and everything here. It's very easy and fast. For example this music event, and yeah, after you finish editing, go to the top here, click download. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.